Hi, I'm Daisy. I'm a speech and language therapist and I'm the head of the content team here at Smartbox. Our Smartbox communication boards have been carefully designed to support communication in a range of different locations. Each board includes different types of words to help people build up sentences, but many of the words can also be used by themselves. So for example, I can say help, up, again, or I can build phrases. I go up. There are general words or core words which you can use to talk about anything in any situation. Words like what, now, more. And these words appear on boards. And there are also specific words or fringe words which are specific to that location. So this is our park communication board and it includes words like climb, run, and slide. Words are colour-coded and grouped together to support people to find the words they're looking for and build up messages. So for example, the people words are yellow, action words are green, purple words are the question words, and so on. Each board has 8 customisable cells over here, so you can choose the words that you need for your particular location. So perhaps the park near you has a pirate ship or a sandpit. Which words would you add onto your communication board?